sponsor.
And today we're going to tell you how to make milk tea at an authentic boba shop.
Boba shop.
See it? Yeah. As you can see, there are so many different types of milk teas that we have here. And today we're going to make P1, signature boba milk tea. Okay, so we have fresh boba right now. And you could tell that the boba is good because it's soft and you can also tell that it's flavorful because of all the honey and the sugar that's dripping and absorbing inside of the water. Okay, so we are going to be using black tea.
Right? How much sugar like?
I don't like mine sweet, so I want 30 sugar.
30%.
So although we use fructose for our sugar to get sweetness for our tea, you can easily substitute with cane sugar or honey or any other stevia or sweeteners that you like.
Wow.
Okay, and then we have creamer here. You could easily substitute creamer for fresh milk. So you're beating it. And then we put it in the sealing machine. Obviously, you can just drink it straight up like that in a cup, but why not? And you can mix the boba. You know when the boba's good? When it just falls off the bottom. And there you go.
Now drink it.
How is it? Describe what you taste.
Delicious.
Deliciousness.
Boba is so soft and chewy.
It doesn't like give your jaw an exercise. Like it's chewy enough so it has enough texture, but it's not too soft where it just like is mushy or too hard. And either one of those could be because of the boba sitting there for too long or having it overcooked or undercooked.
Not watching it at all.
Not watching it, not mixing the boba enough. Okay, I know you guys at home don't really have these sticks that we use for IT, but the reason why we have this stick is because it's the most efficient way to beat our drink together. Whereas if you're at home, you're probably just gonna want to stir the powder and the tea together and just mix it together so it's dissolved. But for IT, our goal is to beat it, and the goal of beating instead of mixing is to actually have all the ingredients incorporate together aside from just having it dissolve. Many other kinds, there's like jasmine green tea, there's oolong, Earl Grey.
They come by IT Dublin.
And try it. This is a classic milk tea. We call this signature boba milk tea. Other places call it like house milk tea, special milk tea.
Yeah, this is our signature.
Classic milk tea. And we put it in this cup, but we have way bigger sizes. Show them the large size. Boom!
Boom.
So we have different sizes here. And if you order the signature boba milk tea, it will automatically come in this size.
It should be.
Should be. At least in Dublin, it will always be this size. obviously they have it automatically in a big size because they know it's gonna be so good. You're gonna want a lot. And we have boba, but there's so many other toppings that we have too. You could put like grass jelly, egg pudding. We have coffee bobas, red bean. Not a lot of people know about agar boba, but agar boba is not like regular black boba. Agar boba is more chewy and it actually has potassium in it, fiber, so it has more health benefits than regular boba because regular boba, black boba is just starch.